Hello! I have a new thing in my paddle. Look at the bottom. I have a sticker here. It makes my paddle heavier. Let me play some game and have a review at the end of this video. Let's go!
After today's session, no big change, but my drive are more stable and I am not hitting out.